You're listening to Take 5, the podcast where we pause the noise and tune into the stories that matter. Real people, real life, right here in our community. Let's go.
Hello, my name's Evan Shumka. I wrote this article, Moon Gardens, for the Home and Garden section of the June 2026 issue of Take 5. Moon gardens and vegetable crops are top of mind for this year's gardeners. Imagine a plot of white verbena and euphorbia diamond snow planted with other white flowers and silvery foliage, so when night falls and the moon rises, the garden glows in the moonlight. When I asked Mika Kasky, owner of Sandpiper Gardens and Glass, about the latest horticultural trends, and she told me about luminescent moon gardens, I wasn't expecting that gardeners were dreaming up such mystical concepts. According to ChicagoBotanic.org, the English writer Vita Sackville West had her own moon garden in the 1950s. In 1833, a moon garden in Massachusetts was designed by Benjamin Poor, who went the extra mile and included a herd of white cattle, white pigeons, and a white dog. That level of lunacy has yet to be reached by local gardeners, but we can dream. The moon garden trend has also been noted by May Dunlop, retail operational manager and marketing manager of Holden Lake Farm and Garden, though she hasn't received questions about it directly from her customers. Both her and Kasky, however, are finding a definite growing interest in food crops. Gardeners are looking more into vegetable gardening, that's for sure, Dunlop said, and added that perennials and drought-tolerant plants are also top of mind.
Are you confused about social media marketing? How often should you be posting? Maybe you should be working on your dance moves for TikTok or Instagram, or sharing pictures of your cat to get followers. Nobody has time for all of that, and you need to focus on your business. And we at Take 5 News Magazine can take care of the rest. Whatever your business and whatever your budget, we can help you with a straightforward, effective marketing campaign. And we promise we won't make you dance. Visit our website at take5.ca.
Kasky has noted the same trend, pointing to the high cost of groceries as the driving force behind more people growing their own food, something that her business promotes. Tomatoes, peppers, squash, and zucchini are currently being planted, with broccoli and cauliflower already in the ground. The most popular cucumber, according to Kasky, is the 4-inch-long cucino, perfect for a kid's snack. With heat, it grows prolifically. Gardeners are adapting their ways, according to Dunlop. Her business hosts a variety of workshops that teach people how to incorporate techniques such as companion planting into their gardens. Companion planting, Dunlop tells me, is about bringing in different varieties of plants that attract pollinators. For instance, you might plant marigolds close to your peas to entice those precious pollinating insects. It can also be used to protect your vegetables from slugs by luring them away with the promise of an alternative treat. It seems there is no shortage of ideas for this year's gardens, and perhaps, after a long, hot day of tending veggies and chomping on fresh, crisp cucino cucumbers, there may be no better repose than basking in the soft silver light of a moon garden.
That's a wrap on this edition of Take 5. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and hey, Take 5.